In this video we will have a quick look at squeegee rubber and which one you should choose. Now it really depends on the climate that you are working in. If you are in a cool or cold climate, you are much better off with a soft rubber. The hotter or warmer that it gets, you're better switching to a harder compound of rubber. So when you're purchasing squeegee rubber, check which kind of compound that it is, soft, medium or hard. But the squeegee rubber I would personally recommend for you as a good start, a good baseline, is the Unger Green rubber. This is a medium compound rubber. It is a good all-round squeegee rubber that will perform in most scenarios. The Unger Green rubber is very durable and gives very good glide to your squeegee. So this is the one we have been using for quite some time, and this is the one we would personally recommend for you starting out with your traditional window cleaning, or indeed if you're looking for a new squeegee rubber that is better than your last, we are very confident that this rubber will be a good choice for you.